We have also find multiple elements in our last example when we find A, tag name A. Okay. So in the same way, I want to give one more example. Create a new class. Okay, I am importing all these things and I am launching this site. Okay. Okay. So here we are. So if I go here, so I have a class name, inventory item name here. If I inspect it, it is also inventory item name here. If I inspect it, it is also inventory item. So all the class names are same. All the class names are same. Okay. So let's try to print all the titles of this class. Okay. Let's try to print the titles of this class. So see, we have base URL. See, I am taking the code from our previous only. Okay. I am logging it. I have created it multiple times, guys. So we are having multiple times this. So I'm logging it on into it. Await, go to base URL. Just let me know any issues in it. Every we are doing this daily basis. So test describe I have created. Okay, so I'm creating a test case inside it. Okay, I'm creating a test case inside it. Remember yesterday we did with test describe. Test describe the suite of test cases. Now I have created log. Now, now I want to take the locator which has multiple items in it. I want to take a locator which has multiple items. So how can I take it? So go over here. I give cost product names locator. Let's take this items. Okay. So now I got multiple everything. So I got the locator which has class. Okay. So let scanning a multiple items. So let me see how much count is this. How can we check the count? Approach one. Get the count. Let's take the count. How can I take the count? So I can take the count simple. Cost. Await. Dot. So it will give you the count of all the elements available. So let's print the number of count. Okay, let's print it. Okay. So how much count basically we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put a expect that it should be 6. Okay. So I put a expect C, E, X, E, C, T, expect product count dot will be 6. It should be 6. Now let's extract all the elements. Okay. All the titles and try to print them. Okay. So let's extract them. So I give const all titles is equal to await product name locators dot all text context. Take the all text function console dot log. So I can print all the titles. So we'll be printing this variable. Right? You can put assert also if you want to verify first is source lab or not. I can put the assert also. Okay, you can put these type of asserts also. I can put expect all titles dot. It should contain say all titles. Every in this title it should contain this. Okay. And even the zeroth element also should contain it. It is just like an array, where it should also contain this. Fine. So these asserts I can put over here. Fine. Okay. So let's try to print it out. Let's try to print it out whether it works fine or not. If I go over here, so started, it launched, it passed also so fast. See, I haven't put anything, it passed. It printed all this. Six elements are there. And okay, guys, any questions? Practice this now. I'm giving you 5, 6 minutes. Practice. Okay, guys. So now let's take something known as if some element is visible, enabled, disabled. Okay. So let's take that uh, example. So we can take, say, element. Okay, I go over here. I am creating a site and I am checking the visibility of a text box. Okay. So let's go to a site. So here we have two checkboxes. Okay. So if I inspect it, so its type is checkbox and another one type is also checkbox. So it will be confusing. So I will be considering as a zero checkbox, nth value is zero, and this is first. Okay. So if we have multiple values in the same way, you can put it as a array type 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I am taking both the checkbox locators. Let's check it out. Go over here. Let me launch this site. Okay. Now let console.log. Fine. Let's go over here. So I take two locators for the checkbox. Launched, checkbox 1 is equal to page dot locator. Okay. So what it is? So it is a form input. Okay, form input. Okay, in form we have an input. So I can do like this. Form input type is checkbox. Checkbox. Okay, and I'm taking it as another zero. First one because both are same. And second one I am taking as first. Second one I am taking as first. Okay. Now let me check the visibility. Let me verify both are visible or not. So I give await check checkbox dot to be visible. Same I can check checkbox dot. So both are visible. See, visible means you can see it. Okay, they are not in the background. Okay. So I can print at the X success, both are visible. This is known as visibility. So I have checked visibility. Now I want to see whether its state is checked or not. I can check it out or not. Okay. So this is unchecked by default. So it is not to be checked. Okay. And this is to be checked. Okay. Not to be checked and checked to be. We are verifying it. Await. But checkbox one dot. So it is not to be checked and not to be checked. So they are functions. Everything has a function. And second to be checked. Await. expect checkbox two, okay, and it will be also be successful because first is not to be checked and second is checked. Okay, okay. Let's run it out and check whether it's good or not. Okay. See, if you have enable is also see enable means are we able to click or not? Are we able to click or not? So that basically means an enable. Okay. So if I go to say, okay, let's do it. Enable, you can take it as an example. Just verify yourself. Something you should also do, guys. Okay, so if I give here element passed. So this is visible and this is checked. So both the test cases passed. Okay, both the points passed. Write this down. Write it down. After this is the same. I will take enable and disable example also. Where this one? So guys, I am muted. You should told. See, I am checking enabled and disabled over here. Okay. So if I click on there, currently it is enabled, disabled. Sorry. Now it will become enabled. Okay. So let me check it out. This is the new form I am taking. So let me take first this. Let me inspect this. So see, it is form ID input example. Under that we have type is equal to text. Okay. So how can I create it? Just go over here, create it, like post input field is equal to a dot locator. Go to form ID. ID is input example. Under text type is this. I can write is that form dash input example input type is equal to text. Okay. Next we have this button I have to click. So it is also under form input, and I can take type as button. Okay. So you can put it like this. First, enable button is equal to page dot locator form dash input example button. Take it. Now I want to verify this is disabled. First of all, see, it should be disabled. It should be visible and disabled. See, it is visible but disabled. So I can how can I check it? Go over here, give await, spec, input field, await, spec, input field to be disabled. Okay, console dot log. You can print a success message. Okay, this is one. Let's get a wait for here. Let's give a wait. Let's give a wait. Now let's click on that button. After you click on that button, enable button, it will become enable. Now this will become in place of disable, it will become enable. So I click on the button, wait, wait. Okay. Now let me check. Wait, but input field dot to enable. Okay, it should be enable. And after that, give a 3 second wait and I will print out. This is working fine. Success. Fine. Okay. Now you can put any value in this field also. So if it get enabled, If after clicking it can't enable, so you can interact with it. Try to interact with it also, that we are able to interact with it or not. So how can I do it? Await input field dot fill. I can say playwright automation. Fine. Yeah. And I can put, I expect that value should be here. Right? Input field, we have value. What value should I? It has. Let's finish the programming. Let's run it and see if it's work fine or not. Okay, guys. This will work fine. Okay, now this one. It will wait for 2 seconds. It enabled it. Okay. Now it should put, it is putting playwright automation. Not bad. It works fine. Guys, everything work fine. Enable, disable, visible. All three things work. Okay, write down this second point also. This has become a good program. So this now I will create it today only. So it will be in my next class. I will be using it. Auto waiting, we have checked how it goes from different tasks. Yeah, we know. Okay, dash wait locator, playwright. Okay, and the CSS we have sent. Okay. So guys, next example I am taking some dynamic element I am taking. So suppose let's go to this site. So if you click on start, see it start loading, and you will find hello world over there. Hello world over there. Okay. So we have three elements are there. First is start. So let me take the start button. So that hello world is hidden. That is hidden. Okay. So that is a dynamic element which is coming. Okay. So let's take a dynamic element handling example. So I'm going on this site. Okay. Now I'm creating a test over there. It is just logging in on that site. I'm not doing these things again and again. I'm on. So I'm putting it. I'm taking the main code which we have to see. Now we have first of all we have the start button. So this is start button. It has an ID under div. Okay, so let's take it as post start button is equal to page dot locator. Okay, and I take that as a start button. Okay, if I click on start button, now see loading is coming. Let me inspect it also. So see its ID is loading. Its ID is loading. Okay, so let me take this spinner also. Post. After that, data dynamic element comes. Okay. And after here come a message. Let's take it. So this is a finish message. It is also ID finish. Let me take it under H4. It is under H4 ID finish. So let me take finish. Fine. Post finish message. Okay, fine. So now I have taken. So let's start the dynamic flow. Dynamic element flow. Let's start with it. Fine. So first of all, this finish message should not be visible. Remember, guys, this should not be visible. This should not be visible. If I load it, it should not be visible. First time. Okay. So I can put here await expect dot finish message not to be visible. It should not be visible. Okay. I have verified the first element that it should not be visible. Check it. Now I am going to click on the start button. Okay. So it will start a background process. Next, we will be clicking on the start button. So how can I click on it? Await start button dot. So it will start the process. Okay. The start button clicked. Background process started. Processing started. I'm just commenting the things now. Now this loader spinner should be visible. Now we have to verify that loader spinner should be visible. So await expect loader spinner dot to be visible. It should be visible. Okay, if after once it is done, I'm saying just wait for it. I'm putting some delays also. Now, once your loader spinner is done, okay, it should get hidden. After 3 seconds, I can say it should get hidden. So I can say it will hidden, fine. Spinner will go hidden and that this will come, finish message will come. So I can say await spec loader spinner dot to be hidden. Okay, it should get hidden. Fine. I can say loading completed. After that, we can put now we have to assert our final message that finish message should be enabled now. Okay, which was disabled earlier. So I can say await expect finish message to be visible. And what should be the text? Text should be hello world. Await expect finish message and hello. Yes. Now we have 3 second break over here and give save it and try to learn it. So this is how we are handling now our dynamic element. First, verifying the test, start button clicked. After that, loading animation completed. See every step finished. Everything. Got it, guys? Any issues in it? This is how you can handle your dynamic element. Write it down. Okay, guys, write it down. This is all for it. Any questions? So we